lock, unlock working. Let's see. Watch. Release. See that? How smooth that is? Lock. Lock works really good. Okay, here. Let's see. Goes forward. Reverse. I'm gonna pick another gear out for you. Let's see. What am I in here? I'm in 110 volts, 110 speed. Let's go. $600 RPM. RV. Oh no, that's 900 RPM. Reverse. Machine runs perfect. Okay, let's see here. Let's get another speed. Let's try this. What's this? There's a slow speed. There's a really slow speed. Okay. There's a really slow speed. There's that speed. It shifts really nice. Let's see. Every one of the speeds worked perfectly. Said it was stored for 40 years.
About the arm up and down.
Okay, let me oil it up for it. I'll get some more oil in here first. Take that off. Okay. Up. Smooth.
Yeah.
Down. It runs perfect. I wish I had a little one we had would have run like this. Okay. Highest speed there is get the fastest speed. There's high speed. All the feed rates work. I think you can shift them while it's going.
Are you changing feeds or speed?
Feeds. I'm changing feeds here. Go back down. Try. Whoops. There's that one. It has an adjustable stop that's around here. See how it hit the stop and kicked out? Yep. And it all works.
A little more cleaning and it'll be done.
Absolutely. This thing here, but this is one of the most smooth. This is so smooth. It's I've never seen one that ran this smooth.
I know. I was impressed by that too.
All the oilers, all the oil comes through every one. It has an automatic oiler too for oiling the column.
Those double bases are really nice.
I've never seen a double base before. I've
So-
seen L-shaped ones, but
Yep.
never a double. Look at it, it kicked off and went all the way back up again. As I said, it didn't get used for 40 years.
All right, let's
It's gonna make someone a beautiful machine.
call that good.
All right.